Alright, looks like we have to beat up the stupid Prada Gaming here. And actually, we're basically gonna beat up Jackson Gaming Roblox. Or I'll just say Jackson Gaming Roblox. And also, not XD's gonna beat you up, Jackson Gaming, because no one likes you. And if you change your display or username, Jackson, change it to trash and change your username to Jackson Gaming Roblox, because you're so bad. And I'm so happy that your video has more dislikes. Basically, you're like Lisa Gaming. So it looks like we can start this battle. And you'll regret this someday. Ew, you look ugly. I have to drink some cream soda behind this to make me start thinking about a lot, blah, blah. Ha, yum. Ew, that looks ugly. I bet Kobe, my dog, is way better than you, Jackson. And I'm wearing a Justin Bieber has Dora the Explorer shirt. And that's better than your clothes. Ew, you look ugly, that teeth. If not, XD had dragon teeth with venom in it, that would be cool to bite Jackson. And I even see your face a bit, that cool XD face, which is cool. And it changes my colors too of my avatar. So let me see. It changes to black. And the flower changed teal. And Justin Bieber has Dora the Explorer. This is funny as hell. Oh, ha ha ha. Looks like he punched non-Australia or punched you super hard. Looks like no one likes you, Jackson Gaming. Or else, if I see you, Jackson Gaming, I will pour battery acid on you. Chucky will get you. Now bye-bye, Jackson Gaming. And you will be thrown in the garbage, because you are garbage. And you suck. Well, night-night, Jackson Gaming. Because no one likes you. Hope you enjoyed this video.